Welcome to the Cloud 2 version of TimeMoto. Logging into TimeMoto is quick and easy. Enter your email address and password. If this is your first time signing in, simply just click on the Sign Up button to get started. This page is broken down into 3 key areas. At the top is the navigation section. This shows you what page options you have: timekeeping, planning, and reports. To the right, you see who is logged into the cloud. This is the notification area. You can display your screen in day or night mode. This area navigates you to settings, to switch accounts and to log out. Desktop environment for checking in and checking out. You can select a project that you have been assigned to use, and clock into that project. You can also clock in without selecting a project. As you can see, I am unable to clock in. By default, it is turned off for every employee and has to be turned on. To do this, go to the Settings area. Select Employees. Then, select the employee. On the left of their personal information, you will see a toggle that says Allow Online Clocking. Click the toggle to allow online clocking. Then head back over to the timekeeping page. You can see when I clock in, it is making a note of the times under recent clocking action. Today's attendance. This breaks down all that is going on in your company for the day. You can narrow your search down via the filtration boxes. This shows who is signed in, signed out, and who is absent. Location. Clocking location. Department. And legend. The difference between location and clocking location. Location refers to the site, and clocking location refers to specific areas within the site where clocking in machines are placed. For instance, a construction company with 2 locations may have different machines on various plots. By selecting a site location, you can filter information to focus on specific plots or departments, like bricklayers in plots 1 and 2. Let's take a look at the attendance for each staff. John Smith has 2 activities displayed. According to John's diary, he is currently following a rotational schedule, requiring him to work 8 hours for the day. However, his diary also indicates that he is currently on holiday. The grey color indicates the scheduled shift time for the employee, while the orange color represents the actual clock-in time. In this case, the employee started their shift later than scheduled and finished later as well. Additionally, the clock-in was recorded using the mobile app, and the total duration of their shift was 7 hours and 10 minutes. This employee accurately recorded their working hours manually, and their clock-in time aligned perfectly with the scheduled time. The orange line shows the current time of the day. For more helpful videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.